Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel English with Dileep. So, guys, now I will discuss in this video. Yes, so now I am in my room alone, so that's why I am recording this video. Because if yes, I am saying in this room we are living two brothers, one my elder brothers and me, both are living in this room. So now he is out of room, so that's why I'm recording this video. So my main purpose of developing my communication skill and build my communication skill and enhance my English. How do I enhance? That's why I'm practicing in my mobile of camera and in mirror and like that things I am doing practice. So practice is most man perfect. Yes, guys, practice is maths man perfect. So that's why I am doing practice like that. So English is why important. Yes, English is a most important language for our country, and every students have to important English. So that's why everyone learning English language. And so I am Hindi medium students, so that's why I don't know lot of English words and it's too much words. So that's why I am something words speak and enhance my communication skill. So my in this channel I uploaded two videos. Yes, two videos already I uploaded in my YouTube channel, and this is third video. So yeah, my YouTube channel name is English with Dileep and my name is Dileep Ajnar. So this is normal introduction. Yes, I am from Madhya Pradesh, Balratpur district, and basically I am Balratpur district and Jawat block. There is my village, small village, and we are four siblings. Yes, guys. So English is not our mother tongue. Yes, English is not our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is Hindi language, and our native language is different from Hindi and English. But I am learning in English language because I know if I learn English language and I will speak fluently and confidently, then I will survive anywhere. Yes, like foreign country and abroad country, anywhere I will survive easily because English. Yes, if you don't know English and you want to survive anywhere, so it is not possible. Yes, guys, it is not possible to survive easily. So English is a most important. There is you know English language and you will communicate each other, their city and their state and their abroad country. So this is a main purpose of learning English language, and every person have to dream unique dream, and every person have to unique dream, and every person have to everything unique. Yes, guys, every person have to everything unique in this generation. So I want to do unique in my life, so that's why I am day by day learning English and increasing my communication skill, improve my communication skill day by day. So now I am learning English like that. So I check myself this video and I will upload in my YouTube channel. So this is my work, not my work, this is my part work. I am doing a study in second year, so I'm in second year students. Yes, but if I get some free time, so that time I make video and I recorded video and I watch myself and I check this words is good and wrong. I check myself, and if I am speaking good, then I upload in my YouTube channel. So yes, because why I want to learn English? Because in my college every subjects teaching us in English medium, and I am in Hindi medium student. So how can I understand, how can I get every lecture in English medium? So that's why my main purpose of speaking English language. And I already my dream had, I will speak English and I will survive anywhere easily. So that's why I am learning English language. And lot of things I should learn English, and I am learning English language now. So nowadays I am one place went, because that place my induction in my college. So there is in my first year, so there is a every teacher comes and they speak in English language. Every teachers come and they speak in English language, and I am in Hindi language. I don't know how to I understand English language. So my that day I can't understand any words. So that's why that day I think I will speak English language with confidently and fluently. So that's why I'm speaking English language and I'm learning English language. So there are lot of like accuses, not accuses, lot of things like I don't know how to I express. I am actually I'm beginner English learner, so that's why I'm speaking English language. Some words I am missing, so it doesn't matter because I'm beginner person. So beginner person, they can missing lot of words and lot of mistake they can do. So also I'm like that, one of I'm them. So it doesn't matter, you are making mistake and you are correct on yourself, and you next time you will prepare and you will do right work, and you speak good words and right words. So this is a we have opportunity to uh, opportunity to yourself correctness. So that's my I'm checking myself, and if I will fluently speak English and I will survive anywhere, then I will show you that places and that cities, state and other everything. But now my main intention is speaking English is why important. Yes guys, English is why important. Every person want to speak language. What is English? English is not tough. Yes guys, English is not tough. English is a medium language. You are doing every day, you are doing practice at least every single day. You have to do practice at least 30 minutes, then you will easily speak language and easily learn English language. This is my side, I am telling you, I am saying you, because I know I have experience like that. So yes, I can say I have some experience. That's why I am saying you guys, because English is not our mother tongue. So how can we learn easily English language? So we are first beginner person, what they are doing first think in native language and they speak in Hindi language. Not, they think in native language and they translate in Hindi and English, then speak English language. So this way is very tough. So I am only that I am beginner, that time I will do like that. But now I am think in English and I speak English. I express my everything in English. So it is a possible. Yes, it is possible. Everything is possible, but you have to do hard work and discipline. Discipline is a most important for every guys. Yes, guys, without discipline and without hard work we can't get anything. So that's why discipline is most important. With hard work then no one can stop you. Yes guys, no one can stop you. With you are doing hard work and you are in discipline, then no one can stop you, no one can defeat you. You have a, then you have a experience, so you have a knowledge and you are knowledgeable after some time, so you can do everything in your life. So this is your life. Your time is precious. You use your time, you respect your time, and you utilize your time each and every day. You have to do work on yourself. So this is everything you have to do, guys, because I know myself. I am that time I am beginner person. That time I don't know how to speak English language and how to I learn English language. So before I learn English language, that time I don't know anything, but now I know. I don't say I am know everything, but I know something. Yes guys, I know something because I am in I am facing like that problem. So that's why I can say, I am saying you are a English learner. So you, this video is every English learner how to helpful. Yes guys, this video every person how to helpful for English learner. They are beginner person. So you watch my video till end and you have to understand what I am saying and what I am saying and what I am expressing myself in front of you. So and if you, and I can speak easily, and you have to do practice at least every single day, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, not 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour each and every day. Then no one can stop you, no one can defeat you. Yes guys, in this my room outside like crackers they are blasting, so it doesn't matter. I am doing my work on myself. So that's why I know myself. I am beginner person. That time I am lot of problem facing, but now I can not say, but I can speak confidently and fluently. If I go on stage, that time I get fearsome and I hesitated, but now I am confidently because I am alone in my room. So that's why I can speak. But now I will build my confidence more and I will go stage and I will speak lot of people and lot of people and lot of like public. I will speak in front of them and I will express myself, because English and Hindi, you have to speak any language, but you, every person have to dream I will learn English language in my life. So that's why I am saying you, because I think guys this video is going longer, so we will meet next video. And I have to say one line in Hindi: ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ, ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ तो क्या मजा है जीने में, बड़े बड़े तूफान थम जाते हैं जब आग लगी हो सीने में. एंड अदर लाइन इज, काम ऐसा करो कि एक पहचान बन जाए, काम ऐसा करो कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि एक निशान बन जाए, हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि एक निशान बन जाए, यहाँ जिंदगी तो और कई काट लेता है दोस्त, यहाँ जिंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है दोस्त, जिंदगी जियो इस कदर की एक मिसाल बन जाए, जिंदगी जियो इस कदर की एक मिसाल बन जाए, बिकॉज दिस चीज लाइन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर लाइफ. So that's why I am saying you. So if uh, yes, I can speak these words in English, but I am I know about everything because they are learning in English language, beginners, so they don't know lot of words. So that's why. Actually, guys, my I have tripod gorilla, so I am recording. I am put this tripod, hold this tripod, and I am recording. So this is remote, that tripod. So this remote is close and on, close and on, like off and on. So if I will click this button and this camera is off, and again I will click then on, so like that, this button. So and guys, I think this video is going longer, so thank you very much. We will meet next, and I hope you will support me, and this video is you will watch till end, and thank you guys.